beaver dam analog is essentially designed to mimic both the physical structure in the stream and then the actual functions to the operation of the stream ecosystem that a natural beaver dam would provide. And so what they actually are essentially just a series of wooden posts that are knocked into the stream about 3 to 4 feet deep into the substrate and sticking out another 3 to 4 feet. And then we kind of use all natural on-site materials, including willows, rocks, sediments, soil, etc., to weave a beaver dam-like structure through those posts. And we kind of customize these or slightly modify the design based on the exact particular conditions of any location that a beaver dam analog might be put at to accommodate those different types of habitats that we're building these in.
So some researchers at Utah State University and NOAA, along with the Oregon Department of Fish and Wildlife, kind of pioneered this concept of building what we now call beaver dam analogs. Just to give you an idea of what that entails, here's a short video. Essentially, the process is to use a hydraulic post pounder or a gas-powered one to pound in wooden untreated fence posts anywhere from 2 to 3, maybe sometimes even 4 feet deep into the stream. At that point, we kind of line the backside of the dam with rocks and stones to give it some structural support, and then take a boatload of willows and interweave them between the posts, both facing parallel to the flow and perpendicular to the flow to really raise the height of the water. And finally, we throw in a bunch of fine sediment like silts and sands to really seal it in like a natural beaver would.